I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.
Today, I wanted to show you a Ukrainian egg art called Pisanki. This is an egg art my family and friends, both with Ukrainian heritage and without, create around this time every year. A pysanka is an egg made by writing symbols with the tool called a kistka and beeswax. We also use dyes in our work. These dyes are a bit stronger than traditional food coloring dyes you find in the grocery stores. The colors also have meaning. To start, we'll generally use a chicken egg, but you can use a duck, turkey, or goose egg. Some people remove the contents of an egg by drilling a little hole and blowing the inside yolk out. We plan our design on the egg. We use pencil guidelines to mark certain divisions. It's not easy making straight lines on a 3D object. Once the basic design is planned out, we take out our kistka, which is made with a piece of metal formed into a funnel, then wrapped with wire around a wooden stick. We heat the metal part by placing it into a candle and scoop the beeswax from the top. Then practice on paper with the lines. Some place the heated tip into the beeswax instead and let the wax move upwards into the funnel. Of course, we have more modern tools like the electric kistka, which heats the wax to just the right temperature. Then we start creating lines and symbols on the egg. Where we place the wax right now, those areas will remain white in the final design. The wax acts like masking tape and preserves the color underneath. We have to plug the hole either with wax or a silicone stopper to prevent dye going inside. And here's the egg dyed yellow. Now we add another layer of beeswax and write more symbols on the egg. These symbols will show up as yellow in the final egg. Then we take the egg and dip it directly into a green dye and pat it dry. Here's the same egg with the layer of green dye on it. Next, we create the lines that will be green in the final egg. This area will remain green after we take off all the wax in the end. Before dipping into the next color, you can gently wash off some of the green dye with soap and water. This helps make the next color a bit brighter. Now the areas we place wax on this time will remain orange in the final egg, and then we'll place it into the red dye. Now I'll add the wax in areas that I want to remain red in the final egg. Then we give the egg a final dip in black dye, remove the plug, and ensure the egg is dry. Some traditionalists use candles to remove the wax, but these days many of us use a heat tool from the paper crafting world instead. This creates just enough heat to melt the wax, yet not harm the eggshell nor the dyes on it. If you would like to preserve your pysanka, you can use a light coating of an oil-based varnish. And if you would like more information about this beautiful art form, my good friend and teacher, Lori Popow, and I have written several books, including a beginner Pisanki book. Plus, Lori has many videos online showing a detailed step-by-step process of this art form. Check out my website at Naztazia.com or LoriPopow.com.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.